kailangan nating maghanap ng mga supplier. So, ano bang gagawin natin for today?
Hi everyone, this is MJ, your youth advocate and an entrepreneur living solo here in Manila. Welcome to my first vlog. This vlog is one of the special vlogs kasi i-share ko sa inyo kung ano ba yung magiging journey ko. And right now, together with my friend, we're going to start a business. Valentine's is approaching at yung Valentine's, it celebrates by couples giving gifts and etc. Perfect timing to prepare for a business. This Valentine's will be special for a person to give a gift para sa kanyang special someone. Either loved ones or partner. Di ba? Dahil nga February and bigayan na naman at araw ng mga puso, our target market would be a person who wants to give something to their special someone. Kanina, we just had a meeting with my friend Hannah. If you're thinking, ano ba yung product na naisip namin? It's already existed in the market and marami na talagang gumagawa nito but we want to make this more challenging.
Siguro, first, since this is from the scratch, I think kailangan nating maghanap ng mga suppliers or mga pwede nating gamitin sa kung anong gagawin natin.
Kung ano yung trend ngayon. Pero as of now, I think much better kung stick muna tayo sa Spotify kasi yun yung pinakang madali na mamamarket natin. Follow me in my social media platforms para masubaybayan nyo kung ano yung mangyayari at gagawin namin